In the world of muscle cars, legends never truly die. They live on in memories, in stories, and in the roar of engines that refuse to be silenced. And now, one of Dodge's most iconic names has returned to claim its place in modern history. The ** 2026 Dodge Coronet ** has just been revealed, and trust me, this car will blow your mind. For those who know their muscle car history, the Coronet was never just another car. First launched in the 1940s and reborn through the golden era of American muscle in the 1960s and 70s, the Coronet represented strength, power, and presence on the road. It was the kind of car you didn't just drive, you commanded it. And now, Dodge has taken that heritage and given it a modern twist, crafting a car that respects its past but is ready for the future. So, what makes the 2026 Coronet so special? Let's start with design. At first glance, you'll notice the bold, retro-inspired styling, the long, wide stance, the muscular hood, the sharp body lines that scream aggression. It's unmistakably Dodge, but it carries the DNA of the original Coronet in every curve and angle. LED lighting gives it a futuristic edge, while classic design cues, like the iconic grille and heritage badging, remind you exactly where this machine comes from. It's the perfect marriage of nostalgia and modern engineering. But a muscle car isn't about looks alone, it's about what's under the hood, and Dodge knows exactly what its fans expect. The 2026 Coronet offers multiple powertrains, starting with a high-output twin-turbocharged V6 for modern efficiency without losing raw excitement. But the real head turner is the available ** Hemi V8 hybrid system **. This monster delivers electrified torque alongside traditional muscle, giving you jaw-dropping horsepower while still keeping an eye on the future. And yes, rumors are already swirling about a fully electric Coronet variant inspired by Dodge's Charger Daytona EV. If that happens, we're looking at a car that blends silent speed with muscle car attitude in a way we've never seen before. Performance doesn't stop at power. Dodge has equipped the Coronet with adaptive suspension, advanced aerodynamics, and a performance-tuned chassis. It grips corners with precision, launches with authority, and still gives you the kind of exhaust note that raises goosebumps. Whether you're cruising downtown, tearing down a highway, or showing off at a car meet, the Coronet delivers an experience that feels both raw and refined. Step inside, and the story continues. The cabin is a driver's dream. You'll find retro-inspired design touches, like analog-style gauges and heritage stitching, blended with cutting-edge technology. A massive digital cockpit keeps you connected, while performance modes let you fine-tune everything from steering response to exhaust sound. Premium leather, carbon, fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting make the interior feel both luxurious and performance-driven. It's a car built for the modern driver, but it never forgets its classic soul. Now, why does the return of the Coronet matter so much? Because it represents more than just a car, it's a statement. Dodge is saying that muscle cars still matter in 2026. That even in an era of electrification, SUV, and crossovers, there's still room for a machine that excites, that intimidates, and that thrills. It's proof that heritage can evolve, that the spirit of the past can live on in a bold new form. The 2026 Dodge Coronet is not just a throwback. It's a bridge between eras. For older enthusiasts, it's a chance to relive the glory days of American muscle, but with the comfort and technology of today. For younger drivers, it's an opportunity to experience a legend reborn, a car that connects them to a history of horsepower and rebellion. Make no mistake, this isn't just about transportation. The Coronet is about passion. It's about identity. It's about Dodge proving once again that it knows how to build cars that stir the soul. So here we are, the legend is back. The ** 2026 Dodge Coronet ** has arrived, and it is ready to shake the muscle car world all over again. Bold design, monster power, modern tech, classic spirit. This is more than a car, it's a rebirth. And whether you're a die-hard Dodge fan, a lover of classic muscle, or someone just looking for the ultimate ride in 2026, One thing is certain, the new Coronet will leave you speechless. Because this isn't just a car from the past, it's the future of American muscle.